Calculate the product matrix AB and BA to verify that the matrix B is the inverse of the matrix A, where A is the matrix 4, 1, 7, 2, and B is the matrix 2, negative 1, negative 7, 4. The dimension of both of these matrices is 2 by 2. The matrix B is the inverse of the matrix A only if the product AB and BA is the identity matrix. What this means is that if we compute the product AB and BA, we need to obtain a 2 by 2 identity matrix. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, so we have to write AB in this order. The matrix A is 4, 1, 7, 2, 2 rows, 2 columns, and the matrix B is 2, negative 1, negative 7, 4, 2 rows, 2 columns. To multiply two matrices, we would need to use the inner product. First, we take the first row in the first matrix, 4, 1, and multiply the first column in the second matrix, 2, negative 7, using the inner product. The first entry in the product matrix in first row and first column come from the first row of the first matrix and the first column of the second matrix. Using the inner product, we take 4 times 2 plus 1 times negative 7, and this will only give us one number in the entry 1, 1, row 1, column 1. Next, we take the first row in the first matrix and multiply the second column in the second matrix to obtain an entry in first row, second column. This is an inner product, 4 times negative 1 plus 1 times 4, and this will be only one number. Next, we take the second row in the first matrix and multiply the first column in the second matrix, second row, first column, to obtain an entry in second row, first column. This inner product is 4 times 2 plus 2 times negative 7. And lastly, row 2 in the first matrix, column 2 in the second matrix will give us an entry in row 2, column 2. The inner product is 7 times negative 1 plus 2 times 4. Simplifying this, we have 8 plus negative 7 is 1. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 14 plus negative 14 is 0. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. So this is an identity matrix of dimension 2 by 2. And so the product AB is the identity matrix so that B is indeed the inverse of A. Usually we only need to check one direction, AB, but just to be safe, let's compute BA as well. B times A, and again, matrix multiplication is not commutative, so we would need to write the matrix in this order. The matrix B is first row 2, negative 1, second row, negative 7, 4, and the matrix A is 4, 1, 7, 2. This time, we will speed things up. The first inner product, 2, negative 1 times 4, 7. 2 times 4 is 8. Negative 1 times 7 is negative 7, and 8 plus negative 7 is positive 1. 2 times 1 plus negative 1 times 2 is 0. Negative 7 times 4 plus 4 times 7 is 0. And negative 7 times 1 plus 4 times 2, negative 7 plus 8 is 1. So yes, we'll obtain the identity matrix of dimension 2 by 2 as well. And again, if the product of the two matrices is the identity matrix, then one matrix is the inverse of the other.